Hey Strad, let's go. Where you at? Yo, we gotta go. We gotta get rolling. Where you at? Dude.
Oh, what's up? How's it going? Welcome to Dubai. I'm just updating the grammar real quick and, wow, what can I say? Okay, alright.
Let's go.
Here we go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh. Oh, just kind of persuaded. Another beautiful day here in Dubai. It's gonna be a hot one. 38,205 kilometers on the rental Huracan. Our mileage limit is 1,000 kilometers. The rally is 990 kilometers. This is so legit. This still has not quite sunk in. We are here in Dubai. It is day number 2, but it is day number 1 of Catch the Camel Rally. We're here with the 9th Degree Supercar Club. We're gonna have about 50 supercars just zigzagging across the United Arab Emirates. We have all sorts of crazy activities. We're going ziplining today, skydiving tomorrow. We have a track day. We're staying at like super crazy hotels. We're here at the Royal Yacht Club of Dubai. We have probably like maybe 25 supercars here right now, another 25 more to come. It's hot. It's gonna be really, really hot. We have the full exposed blue carbon Veyron. OG subscribers, 2 years ago, you might remember, we saw this car off at Yas Marina. This license plate, A14, is actually worth more than the Veyron. Someone's rocking a Urus in the rally this week. So cool. The views up here are just amazing. The Burj Khalifa, it's always there in the background. The Royal Yacht Club of Dubai. We have a man-made island way out there in the distance. It is time to roll. We're headed way up there into the mountains. We got supercars, we got yachts as far as the eye can see. Welcome to the 9th Degree Supercar Club Rally. Never mind, actually you probably should chill. That was 55 miles per hour. 41.5 degrees Celsius. I have no idea what that means in Fahrenheit, but it's hot. The Urus on the highway looks so sick. It looks like a proper Lamborghini. I still get to ride in one or drive one, of course, but it looks cool, especially in yellow. Like I've seen like the gray and white Urus. It's a Lambo. It needs to be bright. Also, casual GT2 RS. Cheers, mate. I am falling in love with the Urus. I'm wondering what kind of lease deals are there available for that car? Because could you imagine in Utah, the desert, the snow, how much fun we could have? And it looks insane sitting here in traffic. Get a nice little profile view of that Urus, looking sharp. What a beast. See you later, Parker. Have a good one. This is so crazy, guys. Like, we're in the middle of the United Arab Emirates, driving a Lambo, following a bunch of Lambos. Like, this is it. We've made it. The 812 super fast. Nick tells me that car is super fast, but not as fast as a Huracan. I think we're getting lined up. McLaren, Ferrari, Lambo. All this is happening. Oh, the Urus and us are neck and neck. That Urus is fast.
Yeah.
Dude, that Urus is fast. Look at that thing. My foot is to the floor. Wow.
Impressions.
That Urus is fast.
Whoa.
My foot was on the floor and the Urus was pulling. Look at it go. This is crazy! I have a runaway goat. What is going on? I don't know where we are, but goat spot. Remember when I said we were going to the mountains? Those are the mountains. That mountain way up there, that's where we're headed. That's the longest zip line in the world. These roads are amazing. Perfect pavement, 50 supercars, no traffic, Lamborghini. Just on a nice lovely stroll somewhere in the mountains above Dubai. I don't know where we are, but it's kind of a barren wasteland. V10, 580 horsepower rear wheel drive though. The group is somewhere. I think they must be like 5 miles behind us. I don't think they can keep up. I wish all of you could be here to experience the road we just drove. This is insane. We are at the top of Jebel Jais. As a wise man might say, ladies and gentlemen, we got views on views. This road, check out this road. This is what we just drove up. Are you kidding me? Quite possibly the coolest road I've ever been on. So the zip line is right there. And we are ziplining down and then down, but we have to shuttle from here up, zip line, and then shuttle back. Yeah. Check out this trio right here. 3 of the fastest production cars of all time. 918 Spider, Nürburgring world record holder, 657. But then Huracan Performante broke that, and then the GT2 RS broke that. Unfortunately, there's no SVJs anywhere. That's the current king of the Nürburgring. But in the comments below, if you could, obviously you take the 918. Never mind, scratch that. The Urus is just growing and growing and growing on me. When the car first came out, I was like, it's okay. But seeing it here on the highways in Dubai, racing the other supercars, I don't know if you could tell, this Urus walked my it's not my Huracan, my rental Huracan. I have the LP580-2, so it's the rear wheel drive one, 580 horsepower. This has a twin turbocharged V8. This thing destroyed the Huracan. Just bear in mind, look how big this thing is. It makes me think, how cool would it be to have a Urus in Utah? Think about the southern desert shenanigans, all the snow shenanigans we could get into. I need to look into lease deals on this car. Yeah. I'd reckon that the GTC4 Lusso is not as cool as the Urus. What do you guys think? Agree or disagree? In the comments below. The Guinness World Record for the longest zip wire is the Jebel Jais flight. Unbroken span of 2,831.88 meters. Whoa. Anything you'd like to tell the viewers? That is so far down. Whoa, guys, so we are ziplining all the way down there, starting from here. Oh, there you go. Dude,
This is crazy.
You ready? I feel great. I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait.
Yeah, you don't care. You like this.
Dude, this is awesome.
Bye-bye.
I love you, Mom. I love you, Dad. See you guys soon.
Later. It's our turn.
I mean, I feel pretty good. Calm. TheStradman. What's up?
If you ever find yourself here in the United Arab Emirates, come do this zip line. The sensation, the speed, the view is just so amazing. There's like no way I can convey it to you guys. Nick could convey it better because he went a lot faster than me. But we're just gonna kind of pretend that didn't happen. So we are headed to the Waldorf Astoria, which is like maybe an hour or so that way. Parker, I don't know what happened to Parker, but we're gonna roll. The rental Huracan has a check engine light. Dun 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 dun. I don't know what that means, but we're just gonna keep driving.
Well, the fact that the car also shut off on its own a few minutes ago.
True. I think that's a representation of the next 10 minutes. This is unreal. This is just such a cool place. We're on the other side of the world driving a Lamborghini Huracan. Who would have ever thought 2.5 years ago when I lost my job that I'd be here with the man who fired me? Like, this is just simply unreal. Whoa, it's just like another world. I feel like we're on Mars. So crazy. Okay, so we are headed to the Waldorf Astoria. Paul from Supercars of London tells me it is the craziest hotel I'll ever stay at in my entire life, so should be good. Out! We got wild goats! No, come back! Come back!
Car coming.
Look at that. There's 2 wild goats. No way. Look at them. What? Okay. Yeah, that's where we're staying, boys. Sure. Why not? Why wouldn't we stay here? Casual 918 Spider right there. We're getting flagged. Hello. Hello. Usually I stay at like the Holiday Inn Express on a really good day, or maybe the Comfort Inn, maybe a Motel 6. We're here at the Waldorf Astoria. I don't think I've ever seen a more impressive hotel in my entire life. The whole squad has made it here. We got the Porsche 918 Spider, but this hotel, are you kidding me? Dude, Nick, we don't belong here. Yeah. Accountants don't stay at places like this. We don't quite, look at that chandelier. Whoa. Whoa. Yo. Whoa. When we walked in, obviously we don't belong here. I'm wearing a white t-shirt and $8 shorts. We're on the 2nd floor. Obviously it's kind of a tier type program. The higher up the floor, sort of like the more important you are. And well, we're the lowest floor, so. I don't know what this room is, but I like it. I like it a lot. Also, there's a safe. That would have come in handy if we had Jan still. Oh geez, you know who Jan is. Check this out. Dude, look at the wall. What is this stuff?
It's gold.
It is gold. Whoa, yeah, it's got gold flake there in the marble. Yeah. No way. Whoa. Look at the headboard. Day 1 of Catch the Camel Rally is over. 9th Degree Supercar Club. Be sure to go check them out on Instagram. That is going to effectively end today's video. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.